guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and today's video is about earrings that you could wear with western wear. So this would include your jumpsuits, your dresses, your LBDs or dresses with different necklines and all that. Now this is part 2 of our previous video, and previous video was about earrings that you could wear with Indian casual outfits like kurtis and all to office or casual events. So if you have not watched that video, I'll link that video up here. That was part 1. Now part 2 is about western wear. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and before we do that, please press the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. Let's begin. So I've stored it in this dabba here. Well, let's take it one by one. So the first earring are these earrings here. These are like elephant shaped earrings. They are nice bronze in color, and I really like accessories which look this cute. Now this looks very nice when you team it up with a skirt and an off-shoulder top, and this looks good with every color. Now the elephant is my spirit animal. So anything I find in elephant, be it cushion covers or anything, I just get it home because I find them very cute and they're like my spirit animal. So the first one is this earring. One is this earring here. These are like shell earrings, and these again look very good with off-shoulder dresses or any summery dresses. But with this, you have to make sure that you tie your hair behind and then wear this, because otherwise, you know, the actual charm of those earrings will not be seen. So as you see, these are shell earrings, and then these are like big shell hoop earrings. So there is a golden hoop here, and on that the shell has been attached. So I have not included, like I have a lot of earring collection, so I have not included all of them. I have included some of like the best ones. The others which I wear like randomly, casually and all that I have not included. So yeah, the third one are these hoops. Now these hoops are like small thick hoops, and then they have nice designs on it and a very nice color. Now I believe that I bought this hoops from a street market. I got it only for 80 rupees, but then it's so nice. It looks very nice, especially with your LBDs. It just looks very nice. And these hoops are not like the hoops that you can wear for daily wear. They are mostly the ones that you can wear during parties, because it just takes your it gives a very elevated kind of look. So hoops. Talking about hoops, we have another hoop here. This is like a simple normal silver color hoop which you can wear daily. This is not like the oversized one. So I have this one here, and I have a bigger one here. So I'll just attach a picture of that because I've not kept it in this dabba. So I have a bigger hoops, like simple hoops, and this smaller hoops. Now you know, it's become a fashion to wear these small golden hoops, like how our mothers and all had this gold hoops. I'm not sure if you all know about what I'm talking about, please comment down below, because they had these hoops and that has come back in fashion. I'd seen it on H&M website and all, and it was looking really nice. I really need to buy one. So these small golden hoops are very much in fashion, guys. So yeah, while we are on the hoop journey, let's cover everything that is around. So the earrings which have come, you know, with a drawstring bag or anything like that, I've kept it in those bags itself. So yes, this beauty here. So as you can see, these are hoops with a sparrow inside it. This is again bronze in color, but this is a very dusted bronze. If you can see, rusted bronze rather. If you can see that, you know, there it has been rusted from here, from the ends. So yeah, that is how it is. It's not got rusted. This is the type of the earring. So now these hoops are from Global Desi, and I really like how they give this very undone kind of look. So they look good with open hair. Even if you tie your hair, they look good. They just look very cute. For anything you're wearing like summer dresses, this is very appropriate. This outfit is like this earring is like very appropriate for summer outfits, summer cute dresses. Goal. So these earrings here, this I bought from Hampi. I got it from Hampi Bazaar. Now I circular, not hoop, a circular earring with designs inside, and then it's like a circle with a circle, and there's nothing that you just directly put those earrings into your ear, and this looks very nice, and especially bronze color looks very good on our skin tone. So going on the same. Yeah, going by the same lyric, again an earring which I got from Hampi Bazaar is this one here. So as you can see, these are lotus earrings, and again bronze, and the detailing of the previous earring and this earring, you can see it is such a fine detailing that the lotus looks so beautiful. We'll cover the gold first. These earrings here. Now as you see, earrings have a triangular shape, and then they have another rectangular shape on top of it with a stone inside this, engraved inside. So talking about daytime wear, we have a very quirky, cute daytime earring with us, and that is this one here. Now this is the earring that I had worn for our previous video, the earring collection, and I'm so funny. For Indian casual wear, I wore western wear, and for a western wear video, I wore Indian casual kurtas and jhumkas. But it's okay. So this is a very quirky earring. It has pink clips on top of it, and then it has tassels which are hanging down. The tassels are also earrings which look cute with every outfit, and I just love tassels so that I can keep on doing this. I don't want to make you all giddy, so let's just move on. So we've reached the end of the video, and we've reached our last earring, which is this earring. So we started with an elephant and we are ending with a duck, a cutie duck. So as you can see, this earring is a duck shaped earring, and it has designs over the duck, and it's like black designs that you have over. It is one of the cutest earring, guys. So on this cute note, this is the end of the video. I hope you all liked this video. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also like, share, subscribe, comment down below which earring was your favorite. So until next time we meet, ta-ta.